When the people therefore saw that Jesus was not there, nor his disciples, they also got into boats and came to Capernaum, seeking Jesus. When they found him on the other side of the sea, they said to him,
Rabbi, when did you come here?
Most assuredly, I say to you, you seek me, not because you saw the signs, but because you ate of the loaves and were filled. Do not labor for the food which perishes, but for the food which endures to everlasting life, which the Son of Man will give you, because God the Father has set his seal on him.
What shall we do that we may work the works of God?
This is the work of God, that you believe in him whom he sent.
What sign will you perform then, that we may see it and believe you?
What work will you do?
Our fathers ate the manna in the desert, as it is written, he gave them bread from heaven to eat.
Most assuredly I say to you, Moses did not give you the bread from heaven, but my Father gives you the true bread from heaven. For the bread of God is he who comes down from heaven and gives life to the world.
Lord, give us this bread always.
I am the bread of life. He who comes to me shall never hunger, and he who believes in me shall never thirst.